up, y'all? We the K-Twins.
And we back with another video. Y'all know we back. What another video, man. Look, this is Nona Honk dance video, bro. Y'all know I'm so excited for this. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And here's a word from us. Hold up, hold up, hold up. If you like the content on our YouTube page, I'd like to introduce you to the Patreon. You can join the K-Fam today. Our Patreon is free to access with new bangers every single day. There, you'll find exclusive videos that cannot be done over here on YouTube and our Twitch live replays. This is where we chill and have fun with y'all, rewatching some iconic videos and reacting to some recommendations from the chat. Most importantly, that's also where you can find our reactions to Kingdom. And that's not all. If you join one of the tiers, not only can you have access to exclusive content, but you can also get your recommendations prioritized and choose what we react to next. We love y'all. Now it's time to lock in.
Oh, what is up, K-Fam, man? Make sure y'all don't forget y'all Bav, okay?
Make sure you don't forget the Bav, and make sure you don't forget to go check out the Patreon. The Patreon is the best Patreon in the world, man. Tier 2 is the best tier for you, but tier 3, you can request videos like this. And also, make sure you go to the Twitch. We do live stream every Friday, Saturday at 1 p.m. PST. Like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the Discord, man. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go, Honk.
Let's go. Let's see.
They got the dance video looking professional.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, post it. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
Hey, 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 hey.
Get on the uncut.
Oh my gosh, this song's still so good.
Get on the uncut.
Hey.
Get on the uncut.
Oh my goodness gracious. Not only do they look good, right? But this song is such a banger, bro. Like, y'all don't even understand, bro. Like that little that honk. Boy, it's so good. And the dancing is so smooth. Bro, I can't remember their names for the life of me because we don't do a lot of their content like we should. But bro, she's just still my favorite, bro. Like to this day. She's so good at dancing.
Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always get my way. But with that bass and I make a speaker break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A on the license plate.
Hey.
Hey, man. Hey. You don't see me complaining.
At all. More.
Caca, I get. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Hey.
Get on the uncut.
Get on the uncut.
Bro, is
Oh
wait,
my
hold on.
gosh,
Is
look
that
at
a
her.
dog? Is that a dog in the background, Kayla, or am I tripping, bro?
Kendrick, I thought I was tripping,
Yeah,
but I think the sample is like, it sounds kind of like a dog in the background. And look at the flip that she just hit. That was actually crazy.
Let's go back.
I
Let's
think
see.
it was very underrated right there. I ain't gonna lie.
Get on the uncut.
Hey.
Get on the uncut.
That was nice. Bro, imagine doing that like flip and not being like wobbled, so you gotta hurry up and get back into line and dance.
Yeah,
Come
that's
on,
what
bro.
they practice for.
Hey.
Bro, why are they silver? Why are the dudes over there silver?
You know, that's a great question.
What is going on?
That's a great question. I have no idea. I wouldn't be able to tell
Where
you.
are they?
I wouldn't be able to tell you. Wouldn't be able to tell you.
All right. Yeah, man, this is dope though. I feel like I do like the dance. The dance is so subtle, but like it matches the song so well. I like the bus. I mean, obviously, like it say Honk, but
W promotion. I ain't gonna lie.
What is this?
Yeah,
A
W
High
promotion.
Jack 3+?
Is that like the album name or something like that? The EP name or something? I don't know. But hey,
Bro,
let
what
us
are you
know.
talking about? That's the bus name, bro. What are you saying?
You possibly right. I ain't gonna lie. Let me know what the EP name is called, when they're dropping the EP or the album. I'm so curious because I do want to listen to their whole EP and album, bro.
Yeah,
I
I wanna
think
see
they're
what
gonna
they
have
talking
nothing
about.
but bangers on there. But thank y'all so much for being here, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the Discord. Check out the Patreon. We appreciate y'all for being here and watching this video, man. Thank y'all for giving us great music. We love y'all, and we gone. Peace.
Twice the magic of the sun and moon.
I would have kicked her right out. The fuck? Why are you wearing red with blue? You know what?
Please just let me go.
PSY? No fucking way. No. They got PSY in here? I ain't gonna...
이분 거 되게 재밌어요. The K Twins. 이분들이 되게 저희 거를 영상을 많이 해주셨거든요.
네 맞아요.
와 이분 진짜.
Yeah, bump your hip. Shout out to the K Twins. The K Twins.